All right. So we've got MNQ setting up, MES setting up. I mean, I'll jump in MNQ. We'll give this a try. Now, do I need? Yeah, two's probably good. We'll stick with two. Let's do a 60-point stop. Target up here. You're getting the setup on MES now too. So pick your poison. All right. Let's see here. Sell stop. Sell limit. Okay. Oh, got a trade on. Oh, there you go. Someone just got filled. It's not a bad looking trade. I'll be real with you. All right. Well, how's everyone doing today? Oh no, you're good. You're good. We just talked about psychology a little bit. We can talk about it more today. Talked about Trump coin a little bit. Let's go, baby. Let's see if we want to get a little bouncy bounce. Let's look at the rest of the market. So we have crypto pulling back, Tesla pulling back a little bit, Apple absolutely getting wrecked today. I bought more. Yeah, I bought more because we're starting to get real close to that 200, and this is just you can't ignore this on Apple. I'm sorry. This is just got to do it. But I'm being patient with Apple, just in case it wants to come all the way down to there. Like, really, this is my pyramid. So I bought like 100 shares here. I'll buy another 100 here. I'll buy like 200 here. And if I really want to get crazy, I'll buy another 300 right here. But we'll see. We'll see. What's up, Uncle Tony? We're just trading MNQ right now. We got in on this 10 EMA, and now we're just kind of hoping for a little bit of an inverted head and shoulders action. Little boom, boom, boom. Right off the pink line. But we'll see. We will see. Oh, you put the stop here. I mean, it's not. Yeah, I mean, I just tried to put it at about 10 points below the pink, but I mean, yeah, it's. We'll see. It'll probably be fine. Not much, man. We're just trying this 10 EMA right here. Yeah, you can. You're technically right on time to join. Rebuild, baby. Did I hear someone say Bitcoin was setting up too? Kind of. Yeah, it's close. Close to getting set up. Similar. Um, mm, it does look good. And you get the 5-minute 10 EMA too. Yeah, MEQ. Anyone trade platinum last night? Yeah, you did? Did it win? Okay, okay. Let's see. The 3 a.m. Oh. Yeah, around midnight, the midnight slide. Exactly. It has to be 3 a.m. Okay. That's the platinum party time. Universally known. Yeah, that's what I want. And it's nice because our target isn't too high, right? Like we're not above these highs, our target. So we're in the green.
What's the target again? 21,702?
Yeah, sorry. Let me
Setting up the orders.
target. Technically, I have it.
I'm
Hold on.
setting up
I'm adjusting some things here. Yeah, somewhere up in here. I mean, depends where you put your stop, right? Because it was hard. Well, because I didn't have. I wasn't gonna put it below this candle, so I was trying to find something else to put it below. So I put it below the pink and this hammer.
right.
So your stop could be this tight.
Yeah, I have it below the pink, so okay.
Yeah.
Building up, building up. Do, 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 do.
I probably could have added one more to be honest, but it's all good.
I did three.
You did three. Yeah, I was thinking
Yeah.
about doing three. I'll still be happy if you know two works though. If we get a pullback now, I'll definitely add because now it really is looking inverted head and shouldery.
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 It's a new term.
Oh shit! I didn't mean to. Why did it add two more?
You just added two more. Nice.
But why? I put in two. Oh, because I'm not in group trade.
Oops.
Whoops. Okay, well, I'm gonna. How do I fix this? Sell one, and then I'm gonna go in the other group, and I'm gonna buy one. There we go. All right, fix that mistake. Whoopsies.
When you just add a buy like that, it doesn't change the stops, right? So I see you're still at the 2 with
Yeah,
the sell
no.
limit and stuff. So how do you do that? How do you
Oh,
adjust that?
I just do this.
Oh, what would you just
Just click on the number and change it to 3.
do? Oh, never knew that.
Yeah. Tricks of the trade here.
Oh, ugh.
Big hammer. Come on. I want a big hammer right here. Just boom up.
Come on, bulls.
Come on, bows.
Don't be steers. Come on. All right.
Comes your hammer.
Yeah, that's what I wanted right there. No funny business. Okay? You hear me, Gregory? No funny business.
I
Close
got,
above the 10.
yeah, the one question mark I had with this trade is it was an inverted um stack. The 10 was below the 20. And that
I gotcha.
yeah,
Oh, well.
that's the only question mark.
Well. My whole life's a question mark, so no, I'm just kidding.
Right. Story of my life.
That's right.
That's funny. All right, well, if we can get over this high, if we can get above this hammer, which is also technically a 10 EMA, and this indecision candle, I think we're looking pretty good. This is really your only problem then back here, but you could honestly trim one there if you wanted. I think overall, this trade looks pretty good. How'd Bitcoin do? It's chilling. Oil, flat. M2K, MYM. How, okay, how is MYM gapping up today, gapping and going, but Apple is down so much? That makes no sense to me. This isn't Apple a big part of the Dow? I guess just in the industrials love Trump, right?
Yeah. Is Apple a part of Dow?
Yeah.
I didn't realize that.
Yeah, Apple's in the Dow 30. I don't make the rules though, you know? Yeah, Apple's just getting punched.
Wonder why.
I don't know.
Well,
But I need it to not
People,
because it's
people
part of.
didn't like the new iPhone color. So that's the only thing that changed. Trying to see what to earnings.
below the 10.
Had 7 bars. Can't move stop yet though.
Nope. Green.
Yikes.
Ruh-roh. Oh, jeez.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. Guys, we were supposed to move our stop and we never did. Like, what are we doing?
We gotta wait now, you know?
I gotta wait now because we're coming against us.
Well, it's funny because I would have been stopped right there.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, I mean that's a really easy stop move.
Yeah.
We'll just
We
move it
can
right.
do
I'll
it
just
to
move it
it.
right to there. Right there. 2 ticks below it.
That's also a it just barely wicked over a daily resistance or daily support.
I mean, yeah, there's wicks down here. You know, we know there's buyers, so
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, I'm not sure why I didn't move my stop. If I had, I would have gotten stopped, but I didn't. So that's just like a lucky mistake, I guess.
We'll take it.
Well, technically you couldn't move your stop, right? Because it was
No, I
moving against
could.
you.
No, but I could have moved it on this candle close, which was green, and I would have moved it to 0.7, which was right there, and I would have gotten wicked out just now. You know what I'm saying? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I should have moved it after this candle close, and I would have moved it to 0.7, which was right about there, and I would have gotten barely wicked out right now. But no one reminded me to move my stop. I feel like you guys always remind me. I'm always like doing other things. It's kind of funny. All right.
All right, it needs to hold on to this game.
Yeah, we need to push up out of here.
I don't like that it keeps trying to push up and then it gets shoved back down. Yeah,
I mean, it's just a choppy morning. That's all it is. So
yeah.
we just gotta wait and see what happens here. Are we gonna get a Trump pump, or is it a, buy the rumor, sell the news kind of day, where it's like, all right, he's
Right.
in the office. We all kind of knew he was, so whatever. you know. I mean, I know he signed a lot of executive orders yesterday, so there's probably a lot of mixed signals about that.
Something like 200?
Yeah, like I feel like the market's like reading
Yeah.
through them right now, and they're like, okay, are these good or bad?
Right. If this closes green below the 10, then we should be moving at 2 stops.
Yeah, in like 3 candles we can.
Are you talking because of the reverse setup rule? Is that what you're referring to?
Yep.
Yeah, Calvin, he's saying if we were to get the reverse setup, the short setup, do we
Yeah.
skip,
Yeah, you skip a rung, but you still gotta wait
but
21
we still
minutes.
wait? Oh, gotcha.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
I need to wait.
Question for you guys. Okay, hold on. Can you guys hear anything in the background of my voice right now?
I don't.
Nope.
You don't hear anything. It's just silent right now?
Yep.
Oh, that's awesome.
Got a new mic?
Guys, if I show you what I got, you'll just be like, dude, you are the biggest nerd ever.
Well,
Now
we
you got
already.
me curious.
So, over the weekend, I went and bought a treadmill, like a legit treadmill, like from Dick's Sporting Goods, okay?
Are you exercising while you trade?
And then what I did was I mounted a computer screen to the treadmill and a keyboard and a mouse.
That's awesome.
And then I got like noise canceling headphones. So yeah, I'm on the treadmill right now.
So that's why he sounds out of breath.
Confirmed.
That's
You
why I
are
said-
a nerd. Confirmed.
We can't hear the treadmill. We just hear you.
That's crazy. You can't hear the treadmill because I'm on it right now, and it's like, but I have these special headphones that take like cancel it out.
You should do this. If it's a long setup, increase the incline.
Yeah, like
Short setup, like decrease it.
Yeah, like-
that's fine.
if we get near the stop, I have to sprint.
Yeah.
That's funny.
How many times have we gone green red on this thing?
I don't know.
A freaking few.
That would explain why you skipped the stop.
Come on, you got to get above this.
That's the resistance right there.
That looks good to me. I don't know. I mean, it is a choppy morning though. We'll see if we can finally get a breakout to one side.
Come on, man. Come on.
Does the don't go red again rule apply here?
Too late.
I mean, let's see here. Trade started green. I don't know if I really count back to red there. Up. In my opinion on this trade, let's see here. Green, red. Yeah, I mean, technically, I would not be mad if you were just like, I'm just going to get out of break even right there. But for me, like, I don't know. I just always stay in. I just want to see what happens. I just move my stops every 21 minutes. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I just didn't know if that was enough movement to make that rule applicable here.
The problem is like we're chopping around on the entry so much that it's hard to move your stop, you know? Like you'd have to really slam it, which is like I don't know. Like this could hammer out of here again right now, like with the way the price action's been today.
This looks to me like big institutions trying to reposition based on all the stuff going on. Trying to decide if all the, like you said, if the executive actions are good or bad.
Yeah, like how are people perceiving the new administration that came in yesterday?
Yeah. Oh, my goodness.
So by the count, I think after this candle we can move our stop.
Right below the low of the green. That's get to the 50. You said, or are we skipping a rung?
I don't know if we can really skip a rung. I would probably go below that next red candle.
Okay. What about here?
Yeah, it's kind of what I'm thinking. Like up in the 21,590 area.
Rung.
Is there a pattern to the number of reds and greens that are happening in between each other?
Crazy.
One, two, one, 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 two, three, two.
They just want to mess with your mind.
Oh, they're doing a good job.
Just testing the rule set.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and move my stop up just a hair, just a wee bit. Cool. All right. Maybe we can finally break out, please, maybe. Make it go up. Blow on it, Gregory. Come on.
Fun.
I'm waiting to see volume do something down here. That's-
Come on. Well, it keeps testing it, so it's got to wear the bears out at some point. Empty out all those shorts and break through.
If it does, it's going to be
Breakthrough,
a
baby.
quick move.
Yeah, I think so.
There's going to be a lot of short covering. Come on.
Bring it down.
Come on. Strong close. There you go. Volume's coming
Let's
in.
go.
Calvin, when you leave a runner, how do you set the stop for the runner?
So for a runner, usually what I'll do is
Nice close.
I'll just like throw on some higher EMAs, like a 20 or a 50.
Sorry, I mean like logistically in TradingView, how do you set
Oh, oh. I mean, so let's say this stop didn't exist, right? I would just right click where I want the stop, and I just put sell stop. It'll just throw it in right there.
that stop didn't exist? Okay, let me try that.
And actually, I am going to move my stop to right here.
You're already moving your stop?
Well, here's the thing. We were supposed to move it to 0.5 on that last move, and we didn't because we couldn't.
Uh-huh.
But now I can. So I'm going to move it to 0.5. So let me find out exactly where 0.5 is.
Gotcha.
You feel me?
Yep.
There you go. That's 0.5. I would go to 0.2, but I can't because we didn't close under the 10. So let's see what we can get here.
Okay.
Come on.
just took almost 4 hours on Bitcoin.
Nice.
Nice.
Damn. Did you?
Yeah, I was trying to leave a runner, but I couldn't figure out how to
Whoa!
make
Bitcoin just flew.
so I just stopped out. I decided not to get greedy and just stop it.
Take it all. I mean, yeah, it's a pretty big pump.
We finally got to the.
Jeez, look at that volume. Damn. Bigger than
Wow.
bigger than the 930 volume.
Holy smokes.
Good job. I bet that helped your account out.
Oh my gosh, I'm finally positive. It's a miracle. Now I only need like $1,000 more.
There you go.
That's not that hard, to be honest. That's like
I
two to
mean,
three wins.
yeah, that trade was like 500, so
Clear.
I think I have to break the one trade at a time rule because I only usually have about like an hour total in a day to trade.
For sure. Yeah,
So
it's
make
tough
it work.
sometimes with the schedule. What do you got going on during the day?
4 kids and
Yep,
that's my
that's all you had to say. 4 kids.
I don't know how you do one trade.
exactly.
Guys, the treadmill is just so awesome. Hold on, I'm gonna show you. Can I show you guys a video of it?
That means
Okay.
you just need to increase the incline or the speed.
Dude, I'm already at a
Not
10.
Yeah, you're not challenging yourself enough.
You're at 10 on the incline?
10 and 2.5. Hold on.
Yeah, beast.
Beast. Hold on. Let me get this. Let me show you guys the situation here. Hold on, I'm trying to get a good shot of it. All right. You guys ready?
Yep.
Hold on. All right, I'm posting it right now. Give me a sec. All right, it's in Slack.
You just put it in your share screen, and so it makes it to the recording, and it's immortalized.
I don't want people to see. This is only for you guys.
Wow, that is quite the setup. I'm impressed.
How much?
Holy crap.
There,
Wow.
there it is, guys. Got
You're gonna
CNBC
get
on.
ripped this year, aren't you?
Gotta get ready.
Dude.
I put on a little bit too much weight during
Didn't you say you have a beach trip coming up? Is this what that's all about?
the music festival in March, so trying to drop like 20 pounds if I can. But
Nice.
How much space do you have between you and the end of the treadmill?
oh, I have a lot. I have a lot. It's a big treadmill.
Okay.
Yeah, like I'm good. Like I have a good foot behind me before like my foot would fall off.
All right.
Yeah. So that's the setup, guys.
Well, keep us posted on your gains or losses.
Yeah, I mean, we'll see. If I can lose like 10 or 20 pounds, that'll be awesome in like 2 months. But my plan is just to do this every morning, you know, and
And
hopefully.
like mileage or
What?
You have a target as far as miles?
Just like burn like 500 to 1,000 calories a day on this thing. That's like my goal.
All right. Make sure you're taking in lots of protein.
Okay, I will.
Otherwise, you're gonna be burning muscle and not fat.
Full protein, got it.
Yeah.
All right, what the heck is going on with our trade? What is this shit?
You gotta stay above 650. Looks like that's the resistance right now.
When can I move my stop? Candles? 3 more candles?
I think so. Yeah.
Should have taken the Bitcoin trade. My goodness.
Yeah, Bitcoin went all the way up to 110. That's crazy.
Trade open. What is now 106 right now? Into my other stuff. I think I have a sell order at 108. See,
Oh, sorry, I'm a day behind. A few days behind. I was looking at the wrong chart. I thought I was looking at the 3 minute and it was the day.
Yeah.
That's a big difference.
Well, a little bit.
I was like, wow, it spiked all the way up to 110 since I got out of that trade. Oh, I should have stayed in it.
Yeah. You won.
I won. I made more than I lost. So we're good.
There you go.
Come on, man. Go up. This might just be a really slow trade today. I don't know.
Oh, gold would have been a good one too. Alvin, how did your Trump coin do?
Yeah, Alvin, you there?
Hope he didn't fell off the treadmill.
I'm here. I'm here.
We were worried you fell off the treadmill.
I fell and hit my head. So funny.
The question was, how's your Trump coin doing?
Oh well, so I already got out. I got in and got out twice. So let me show you what I did on Trump coin. Quick little break. Okay, so Trump coin. We'll go to the 4 hour. Okay. And I'm just gonna draw a fib from the high to $0 basically. That's where it IPO'd. 50 cents, whatever. So what I did was I bought off the 618 and the 50 and caught this little run and sold. And then when it came down and touched the 382, I bought there and then sold off that little run. So just pop, pop.
A little bit of cash.
And that yeah, I made like $1,000. So
Wow.
whatever. But that's very common to see. When you see big stock run up like that, you usually will come back to the 618, 50, or 382. You'll usually see some sort of bounce off each one. So that's just all I did.
Is it time to move our stop again?
Let's take a look. Such an annoying trade. Oh my gosh. All right.
Oh, for pity's sake.
One. In one more green candle, we can move it. And it'll go to 0.2. Which will be right about there. That's where we'll move it next. So at this point, really what we're looking for is for that to be respected.
Oh, there you go.
Okay. That's what I'd like to see respected. But as some of you pointed out, we have the 20, the 50. There's a lot of activity right here, but we closed above it. We closed, you know what I mean? Like, I think there's hope. We do need to see some volume come in though, because right now it's just been tapering off a
Yeah.
lot.
Man, you drew that line and it immediately disrespected it.
I
What
mean,
they trading gods know all.
I wouldn't really say it disrespected it. It more like it aggressively flirted with it, but it didn't disrespect it.
How badly are we going to beat this metaphor? Oof.
Now, if it closes below it, that's a party foul. That's not going to be cool.
All right, guys, got to go.
All right, Jose, have a good one, man.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Ouch. Right on it.
Yeah, we'll see what happens here. We just need a green candle to close, and then we can move our stop.
Yeah, about that. Hmm. Boy, it's right at the 0.2.
Right there, flirting with it.
All right. Well, there's the green.
Yep, that's our reverse trade, right? Green closing below the 10.
That
Terrible close.
what'd you say?
It's a terrible close. It's like
Well,
it's green.
it finally gave us, below the 10, which is fine. I'm gonna wait one more candle just to get a nice little pivot in, and then
Yeah.
I'll move it there to 0.2.
Well, if it rode that line up the rest of the rest of the day, that would be fine.
Wouldn't be mad at that.
This kind of action can hurt your trailing drawdown on Apex, right?
I mean, it can. But if you're moving the stops like I show you, it should never be too bad. What really wrecks is when you miss target by like a tick.
Oh, ouch. Well, that would suck. I hadn't really thought about that before.
You miss target by a tick and it comes back and stops you at like break even or point two. That's a big drawdown on your trail.
Oof.
Is there anything such as a Newsom close?
And close.
If you get within a tick and it doesn't take you out, get out.
Right. Actually, I
Like
wonder
that's more like
so.
a Maloney close. Have you seen her trade?
No.
Eight's missing target. She'll just take it off.
Oh, really?
Yeah. If it doesn't come up and blast right through it, if it hesitates even for like 5-10 seconds, she'll just close it. All right.
I can get that. You moving?
Yeah. Moving and grooving. All right. $21,613 is where I moved it.
It's a nice higher low too, if it can keep going.
Yeah, no, this still looks fine, guys. It really does. Like, it's been, you know, a test of patience, but look at this. It's just an S curve. You know, I mean, it still looks healthy to me.
Uh, Not filled. On out.
Shoot.
All right, so stopped. I mean, good attempt. We lost 0.2. It's not a big deal. Let's take a look. And what else we got going on? Very choppy day. That's what I'll say. So cancel these. Okay, MES. Oh man, MYM. That's what we should have traded. Damn. Right around there. Either on that candle or that candle. Crazy.
Oh, wow.
M2K as well. All right, well. 0.2 loss. I totally get a second trade.
It wicked us.
I'd short oil, maybe. I mean, a Bitcoin reset would be fun. Not sure I really want to do MNQ or MES again. I don't know. Price action's been pretty choppy today. How's Apple doing out here? Still falling. Still coming down.
Wow. So what happened?
On Apple?
Yeah.
I don't know. I think the tariffs or something. I'm not sure.
Yeah, you know what? That could be. A lot of their manufacturing's in China and Taiwan.
Yeah. It's
Wow.
sitting right above that 200 right there. I'm going to be buying a lot at the 200 though, regardless.
Gold's putting in a nice S curve and it just reset.
Did it?
Yeah. It topped out at a weekly resistance. I don't
I'll
know.
take a look here in a second. Hold on. All right. Cool. Gold. Yeah, it's above the pink. Hold on. Bitcoin. Might get the reset on Bitcoin, which could be fun. Yeah. MES and MNQ look weird. MYM could give us a reset if it wants. Just come back down in here. There was nothing on platinum, right? Oh no, oil was the one I was looking at. Like a rollover on oil. So really the ones I'm looking at are oil, Bitcoin, and MYM. Those are probably my top candidates right now for a second trade. They're all kind of different. I want this one to come up and slam down. I want this one to come up. I don't want this one to bounce right now, and I want this one to come down and bounce. Okay.
Oh, sorry, guys.
No worries. All my listeners on YouTube, how you guys doing today? Talk to me. Excuse me 1 second. I'm gonna go use the restroom. Okay, I'm back. So Bitcoin could be setting up again. Oil could be setting up too. So those are the two I'm going to be looking at right now. Probably the closest. Did MYM get the reset? I can't tell. Not technically. What are you guys thinking? Bitcoin long or oil short? Like I'm all alone here. All right.
I was just watching M and Q take us back up to closer into our target.
Yeah, I mean MNQ just. Let me look. Whew. Yeah, it did. Played games with us pretty hard right there. Anyone still in or no?
No.
Technically, remember we should have gotten stopped there, and I just forgot to move my stop in time. So really, if you were second attempting, your entry would be there. stop here. Oh, M&Q, you suck.
Where
Yeah.
I'm not seeing any of your drawings.
I know. I'm not drawing on it. I'm looking at it on another screen.
Oh, okay.
M&Q, that's so rude, man.
Oh, ouch. Oh, jeez.
So rude. Hey though, because I think I'm gonna take this Bitcoin trade.
Where's your stop?
I'll do 3. There you go. I'll do that. Let's see. Now oil is another setup here. There's the oil setup. What would this be? Sell stop of 1. Oh man, 1. Okay, I'm gonna set up 2 different trades right now, and whichever one triggers first is the one we're gonna do. Okay? How's that sound, family?
Sounds like a plan, Stan.
I'm gonna go ahead and close this window. All right. There's our 2 setups. Bitcoin looks like it's not going to work. But we never got triggered in. And then oil is just sort of hanging out right now. So we'll see.
Are you canceling Bitcoin?
I'll cancel it once oil fills.
Because it went below our stop.
I know. But what if it hammers out right here really hard? I know what you mean though. Because, yeah, you would adjust it. So I'm just going to give it a sec. Okay, we just got filled on oil. So I'm going to cancel this. Come on, oil. Give me a freaking win today. Me and oil have a toxic relationship. Oil. All right. We are watching oil.
What's the
I
ceiling?
hate oil so much. I really do. It's so annoying. Such weird price action sometimes. But we'll give it a minute. Like, how does it close under that hammer, throw in a 10 EMA, and then bounce that hard? That's crazy to me. This might be the last time I ever trade oil, I swear. This might be it. This might be our
This is-
breakup.
You might get stopped out without even getting a chance to play.
I know. I'm about to add a contract because that's how terrible this is. If it gets a little closer.
Apple Q4 China sales reportedly drop.
Whatever.
That may be what's driving it right now.
Did you add one more contract or no?
Somebody say something?
I was asking, you said you were planning to add a contract?
I might. This depends what the price action does right here. Like, if we throw in one more, let's here. If we throw in
Top of
like,
the red wick? Mhm.
so, okay, hear me out. If we trade sideways for a couple more candles, get a red candle with a nice upper wick where I can move my stop, then it's almost a risk-free add. Like I can add a contract with like 50 bucks of risk. But I have to see the price action and the right candles come in.
MES is bucking up against resistance. If it can break through that, that might knock oil down.
What was that?
MES is bucking up against resistance.
Uh-huh.
If it can break through that, that might knock oil down.
Maybe. Yeah. Did NQ hit our target? I don't even want to look. No, it got close though.
Getting close. Yeah, I'm watching it for a
I
reason.
just got stopped on oil.
Yeah.
All right, well, minus 1.2 hours today. Not fun, but is what it is. Is what it is.
But you've burned like 400 calories.
Yeah.
Well, it's a good day.
Oh.
Yeah, I lost about 400 on each account, so I'm under. I got 900 bucks of room. We'll call it 1,000. Yeah, oil is. Let's see what I should have taken. MES never gave me anything. I'll be very curious if this trade right here wins. Because like I said earlier, technically I should have gotten stopped here for minus 0.7, and this would have been my second entry.
Yeah.
So I'll be curious if this goes up into here, then that would have been a positive half hour day. But we'll see. I'll keep an eye on it. Yeah, not the day I was expecting. I thought things would be a little more bullish today, but it's been kind of just the slow grind. But you guys keep trading today. Good luck. I am gonna run. I gotta go do some things, but yeah, keep me posted. Sorry for the losses today. It sucks. I definitely wanted to get a win, but that is just literally a 10 EMA nightmare right there. Like, no, doesn't get any worse than that. Yeah, and this trade earlier, man, just barely.
Look at
Gosh,
that.
yeah, it just teased us. But
Oh well.
all good. We'll get it back. I rarely lose 2 days in a row, so like that's pretty. Like just statistically, it's pretty rare for me. So tomorrow, get a win, get back to break even in the account, and then just keep grinding up. But
All right.
we'll talk soon, guys. Take it easy.
Here's Calvin.